Smart Robots TXT Tools is a plugin for WordPress, allowing you to make changes to robots text file that is used by search engines to index to help with indexing of your website. On this first settings panel for this plugin, you have first status for the robots file. If you have a real robots file, you will not be able to use virtual file, and if you don't have real file, a virtual file can be used. So this is the case here, and these messages will change depending on your website. And also you can see the message that even the virtual robots can be used, and that's if your website is installed in a directory inside the domain. So robots text file will work only on a root of your domain. That's the limitation of robots file, and it has nothing to do with this plugin. It's simply made to work that way, only in root of your domain. So if everything is okay, you will see it here. Even if you have a real robots file, you cannot use this plugin directly, but you can still use rules generated by it, and you can copy these rules from this robots.txt panel here, and we'll see that a bit later. Since plugin is active as soon as you activate it, we'll deactivate it right now, and we will open let's see how the robots file looks by default, created by WordPress. So for all user agents, WP admin and includes directories are not allowed for access. Let's enable the plugin and select allow all search engines and save. Now default rules for robots file from this plugin look a bit different, so more things are disallowed for search engines, and as you can see it here, you have two more options here: to deny all search engines or to set up custom rules, and you have option to add additional rules into any sort of generated rules. So we, for instance, can disallow access to Internet Archive. This is a Wayback Machine website that indexes your website periodically to keep all the changes, or to disallow access for images search engines, or for all uploaded files in uploads directory. You can enable any of these manually, but most important here is to set up custom rules. We'll save that, and if we switch to custom rules panel, you will be able to generate or change current rule. First and basic rule here that cannot be removed is for all user agents, and this cannot be renamed, but you can make other changes here. So everything is allowed, and here are the directories that are not allowed. This is not only directories, but it can be pattern using asterisk character, or direct path to a file or something like that. You can remove any of it, and you can add new lines. You have link to a sitemap, and you can add more sitemaps. Depending on your website, you might have different types of sitemaps for videos or whatever, and you can set up crawl delay. That value is not supported by all search engines, and Google doesn't support it directly also. This first set of rules cannot be removed. So we made some changes to it, and we'll save it. Now here is the modified version of our robots file. But now you can add more rules. So we'll select a user agent. You can use some of the predefined agents, and let's say Bing. We'll add it, and you can rename this here Bing search engine. This is user agent for it, and we'll allow access to it, and this is by default what is set. You can add specific maps for it, but you can, for instance, forbid access to Bing search engines. If you do it like this, all but Bing bot will be able to access your website. We can add more rules, and we can add it for custom user agents. So you need to enter user agent string here, or select something like Google image, add that too. We're not going to set any rules here, but just to show you how the robots file will look with more than one section. We'll save it. Okay, let's change this. And now you get extra sections for added bots or user agents. So basically that's it. Whatever your settings are, you can always see generated robots content here. So even if you use real file and virtual is not applied, you can copy it from here and put it into your real file. Please check up your documentation for this plugin to read more on how to create a valid robots file, and there are plenty of resources on the internet to help you create disallow rules, and how to avoid problems like locking out your website. As for locking out your website, here are two basic rules. So if you set it to deny all search engines, you will practically lock out your website from any of them. So if you make some changes to visibility of your website, always make sure that you allow all search engines, or to set up custom rules that will allow access to search engines. Also, you have export and import options. Here you can export all plugin settings into a file and later import them back, so you can make so you can transfer settings from one site to the other site you might have using the same plugin. For most purposes, allow all search engines is the best option to use. If you have a need for some customization, use custom rules.